Hi, hello everyone. So, what's happening? Lockdown situation getting extended, further extended. You just heard. अब अगली तारीख 17 मई तक एक्सटेंड कर दी गई है. वो कहते हैं ना, जिंदगी जब भी तेरी बज़्म में लाती है हमें, ये जमी चांद से भी बेहतर नजर आती है हमें. हम सब यही कहा करते थे अपने घर के लिए, क्योंकि जब घर पहुंच जाते थे तो लगता था यही जन्नत है. अगर धरती पे कहीं कोई अच्छी जगह है तो वो ये है, वो ये है. और अब क्या हुआ? सडनली चीजें काटने को दौड़ रही हैं. सडनली थिंग्स आर टेकिंग अ शेप. एवरीथिंग लुक्स लाइक ओहो, सब पहाड़ का मुसीबत टूट पड़ी है. एवरीथिंग इज नॉट इन प्लेस. कब तक चलेगा, कैसे चलेगा, व्हेन विल दिस लॉकडाउन गेट ओवर, एंड सो फोर्थ. लेकिन अगर ये हकीकत है कि ऐसा हो रहा है, कोविड-19 या कोरोना वायरस बहुत ही वैश्विक महामारी का जो रूप ले चुकी है, इट्स अ पेंडेमिक नाउ एंड इट इज अ स्केरी सिचुएशन. सो हम और आप कितना भी चाहें, लेकिन जो नई दृष्टिकोण है वो यही है that lockdown is the only mantra which can keep all of us safe. Now if that is the way of life, and हम रोज इतने चैनल्स पे, इतने फेसबुक पे हर किसी को सुनते हैं, how to stay motivated, how to keep motivated, what to do in COVID lockdown situation. When I was thinking about ki what is happening and how do we get out or what do we do in these times, I think I come from telecom background and it all talks about recharge. जब बैटरी खत्म हो जाए फोन की तो क्या करना है? रिचार्ज. प्रीपेड इस्तेमाल करते हैं, टॉक टाइम खत्म हो गया तो क्या करना है? रिचार्ज. रिचार्ज किया, झट से बात शुरू. बैटरी रिचार्ज करी, फोन पे चालू. तो हम खुद को कैसे रिचार्ज करें? तो रिचार्ज से ही मैं निकालना चाहता हूं कि these are certain tips which will help you to be on your course, to be focused, to motivate yourself, to enjoy this period. So ladies and gentlemen, let me put out the recharge to you. RECHARGE. The first R of recharge stand for reach out. Now reach out has a multifold meaning. Obviously you can't reach out somewhere. The only medium or a mode available is phone, digital call. But it is time, my friends. एक बहुत अरसा हो गया जब हम अपनों से, अपने जानने वालों से हमने बातचीत करी होगी. Go back to 40 days, or a life before COVID lockdown. Whether you were in corporate, whether you were doing something on your own, you are in your own business. How many times, other than just important calls, you have reached out to all your loved ones, near and dear ones, parents, your friends? It's difficult. Because all of us in our hectic lives have ignored in totality. So I am not going to give you gyan, what all you can do. I will give you certain tips. If you follow those tips, life will be more meaningful, life will be more happier, and reach out is one of them. Make a list of all the relatives you have not spoken in last few years or few months. Make out a list of all your friends you have not spoken for a long time. Remember your friends who were there with you when you were in school. Remember all your friends who were there with you in your college time. Reach out to them, talk to them, go back Explore and go back in the past, the happy moments you have had together. Because वो मन को जितना सुख देगा, जितनी खुशी पुरानी बातों को जीने में होगी. All of us want to go back to our childhood memories, isn't it? Why do we go? Because that was worry free time. There was no tension, no worry, everything was up and running. And we want to go back through this time. So reach out to your parents, reach out to your relatives, whosoever. Talk to them. उनके बच्चों के बारे में बात करो. उम्र हो गई जब आपने किसी और के बारे में नहीं पूछा, उनके परिवार में क्या हो रहा है नहीं पूछा. And when you are hearing me, are you realizing? And I can guarantee and I can vouch that all of you who are listening to me will make a list. If you try to make a list, ladies and gentlemen, friends, boys and girls, the list would be long enough. It's not going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be in 2 or 3 digit. Dedicated a time for yourself. Morning 1 hour, afternoon 1 hour, evening 2 hours. Make yourself available, and without anything in your mind, just openly talk with your friends. Openly talk with your relatives. कितने बरस हो गए किसी रिलेटिव का आपने हाल नहीं पूछा. अगर तबीयत बीमारी खराब थी, पूछिए. अच्छा लगेगा, सुकून मिलेगा. और जिस चीज की तलाश में है मेरे भाई, और कुछ नहीं है, वो सिर्फ हम सुकून ढूंढ रहे हैं. So keep looking this recharge module for more. Today it's only for recharge, which is reach out. Make a list. Today actionable is make the list. Go to your old data bank. Relive the memories. Get connected with your friends. Laugh out loud. Enjoy. This lockdown is worth more meaningful than what all we have been using it for. God bless you. Take good care of yourself, and remember, don't go out. Stay home. God bless you all.